high with some part. Now the Nepalese supporters jubilant because Jumanu Rai twisting and turning. Lovely play by Jumanu Rai. 8 corners to Nepal, 1 to India. Here come Nepal again, adapting much better to these slippery, muddy conditions at the Nehru Stadium. Rohit Chand, who's been quite outstanding in defense. Corner kick. Anthony Pereira will take it. Cries of Zindabad, Zindabad all over the Nehru Stadium. Anthony Pereira, clever. The 2008. Here it is, headed away. India, India, the cry goes up. Robin Singh moving wide right. Francisco Fernandez interchanging his position. Lovely play here by Lenny Rodriguez. Denzel Franco with an in-swinger. Plays it low, doesn't get any height. Robin Singh falls back and heads it away. Useful to have a tall player against these aerial assaults. There's Robin Singh. Biraj Maharajan. Nice play here by Nepal again. Finding each other with ease. Lovely play here by Biraj Maharajan. Then the diagonal into the box. Fernandez missing out. This has been Nepal's tactics, piling on the pressure, not letting India play their his second match for India. Ormangi beaten. Some clever play. And here they come again. Jagjit Shrestha. Tireless worker, Jagjit Shrestha. Straight to... But at least India venturing more into attack. Maybe Nepal is tiring somewhat. Nepal will earn their first point of the tournament. They've lost to Cameroon, they've lost to Maldives, turning and twisting Jagjit Shrestha. He's been a thorn in the flesh for the Indian team. Looking on at him. Can he be taken on as the Asian quota player? Jagjit Shrestha of the Friends Club in Nepal. For the island. There he is, the number 23. Short, diminutive, same calm approach. Jagjit Shrestha. Curling it in to the far post who brought up Indian football. So there's still 15. Jagjit Shrestha. The set piece expert. He takes all these set pieces. Curling it in, but in Jagjit Shrestha. Raju, confidence good. Play held up because the Nepalese player receiving treatment. Since referee, Brooks not denied. No, it's the number 5 who's going on. It is Vikas Singh Chhetri. Very nice play by Robinson.